see some of the redstone here. Some of the janky shit. This is a piston. It ended up not actually working, but the redstone here does work. So you see here how this works is the detector rail powers this redstone that goes up here, and so you see it powers this redstone torch. When a minecart is on here and interacts with that, it would push it forward, which would have been much easier, and I would have just had one line going directly to it. But no, instead I had to make an if not boolean integer evaluator that goes inside the wall, which is only 3 strands of redstone. The use of slabs is enough to fit this into a small cube of space, and inside of this cubic meter of space, you can see we managed to make this if not boolean integer evaluator that only lets the piston go if this is disabled via this redstone torch. I'm dead on the inside. Zane did not help me with any of this. He just exploded half of it. So, see, a minecart can come through. Oops. See, a minecart can come through. Damn it. See, a minecart can. Damn it. A minecart can come through. Me can come through. Ah, God, they're not coming. No. These pistons are already powered. If a minecart goes on here, then they can go freely. Oh. But yeah, this is powered by red.
Is that a part of the process? Or
yes. Look. Okay. So basically, for this one, every odd numbered minecart must be destroyed.
Odd numbered minecart. Okay.
But for this one, every even numbered minecart must be destroyed.
Okay, so both minecarts get destroyed then, I guess. Okay.
So you have to be very lucky in order to actually make it past here. Not to mention, the minecart could derail right here and fall into the lava. So you have to be a very, very lucky boy in order to make it past.
Yeah, that one didn't derail.
Well, you want to know what else, Christian? Come on in. We're going back outside.
What even happened here?
Nothing. Look back at me.
Okay. I won't question it, I guess.
So either way, they end up dying, which goes into a hopper, which goes into a wall. Don't open it. Would you like to see this in action?
Sure.
Follow me.
Okay. Is there a here? Oh.
Follow me. Now just start here. Make sure you're not touching any rails. Get up to like this spot. Yeah. Action.
There that one goes. Okay. Get out of the way! Get out the shots, you're ruining my shots.
Do you like seeing how the minecart's dying?
Maybe.
And the ones that are getting stuck are being pushed into lava or the void?
Someone get through.
One! The ones that get through are lucky. The ones that don't are unlucky. They can also come through this way!
So you said it's a factory, right?
Yeah!
What's the whole purpose of this?
To make a thneed! You need a thneed! Why the fuck? Why do I get-
So about your factory, bud. Look at it. No! Oh no!
Move the fuck away. Okay, no, that's it.
Look,
No,
they're
that's it.
getting
No, we're
clogged. They're getting clogged. Cube, how many did you place?
A million.
Are they all like being automatically dispensed, Cube?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh no, kill them all, kill them all, kill them all, kill them all. Oh shit, that's a lot. So go inside. This is how it... okay, come on, look.
How come there's still... Do you have a... Oh, okay, I get it now. Okay. So, like, press the secret...
My parents back! That's it. No, that's it. Stop, wrong, damn it, wrong command! There, put it there. Now, hold on. So, hold on. Slash kill at a type equals, parrot. And...
There's 2 of them in 1.
What the fuck? No, that must be destroyed.
Oh.
I only destroyed the parrots.
Okay.
Parrot to parrot.
So, as I was saying before, the parrots interrupted me. I pressed the secret button like 3 times and didn't do anything, so...
That's what the brain does! That's what it does, it spawns parrots.
Oh, well.
Why did you do that? The machine stops. Christian, turn it back on.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Wait, it's still going, wait. That's a little bit too bad. Alright, Christian, you can go back inside the factory, it's good again.
It seems like...
What are you doing? What are you doing? No! 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 There's a million parrots! What the hell is happening? Christian, why are the minecarts coming through? Follow me! Let's figure this shit out.
Okay.
None of them are coming through.
Oh, maybe this explains it?
Hold on, there's some of them are... They're not even getting through there. What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god, this pile.
What the...
I wanna pick it up so bad, but it's gonna fill my inventory if I do. Screw it.
Wow, did you not die in the lava? The minecart didn't die in the lava somehow. Okay, thank you.
Wait, they're getting logged.
They're not getting logged, it's just this one sucks.
I'm gonna take... Oh wait, hold on. Ow. I'll be fine.
Oh!
Oh god.
At least they're going in the lava.
Oh god, I'm just letting the process happen. Hey, it's still getting clogged here.
Oh my god, they got clogged here!
So make a Finiad. Can you show me what, how many...
Not Finiad! Not Finiad! It's Finiad!
Finiad, right? Finiad. FNAF, sure. Oh, how many FNAFs have you got it?
6.
Show me.
Hold on. Don't ask Marcus' last operation is only resulted in 6. Wait, hold on. Hold on, let me show you how many Finiads I've got. Hold on.
Alright.
Oh wait, we only got 2.
2.
Hold on. Oh, okay, hold on, let me show you.
Okay.
Alright. Never mind, we only got 1 because of inflation.
There's a dead bush.
That's the Finiad.
That is not the Finiad.
Thank you so much for your generous...
I run this place now.
Get it out of
That's
here!
not cute. That's cute.
Why'd you shut down the operation?
Oh, that's why.
They all died! What did you do?
Zane and
Turn it
Cubes.
back.
Asshole. Okay.
You're getting pretty lucky so far. I didn't even know that could happen. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're in the chamber number 652. Hold on. I'm coming to
Yeah,
repair
I think I'm very
it.
confused about the position I'm in.
Oops.
Oopsies. You killed me, thank you. It's fog here. Damn.
It's
No, yes!
shit. You got unlucky.
No, you pushed me back that side. Okay. It's just, oh, damn. No, we're going up here. Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it, oh, where am I?
No.
I don't even know where I am. Okay.
No, stop! Oh, you poor booger, you could've made it, but now you die.
Oh.
Nah, that's what I call. I need a, wait, hold on. I'm gonna become a random minecart. Let's see if we got lucky.
Alright. Oh, different you. Alright, you.
Okay, I'm pretty lucky so far. Really?
Yes, really.
Damn it, Christian, I broke more.
I wonder how many carrots this is. Probably none. No.
You destroyed so much of the side. Damn it, Christian.
Beautiful.
What the fuck are you doing?
I tried. Damn it. Alright, if I can't do it by machine, I'll do it by hand.
You could have just done always active. Ah!
That was the only thing keeping it from exploding like that. Look what you did.
The building. Close the doors. It's lagging so bad.
Oh my god.
You did this, Christian.
No, you were the only thing that was
No,
keeping it from
I did.
happening. That's your fault for breaking the redstone. Now look what you did.
That's really like Fruit Loops. That's really like Fruit Loops.
Oh, hi there, little guys.